Thanks for clicking on my video. Before we get started, please click the subscribe button so that you can get more great content such as this one. Thanks. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm your host Tony Coleman, and today I'm going to show you my Piggybox. For those who are not aware of what Piggybox is, this is a device that is being sent out to people who use the Earn application for selling bandwidth, basically as a proxy server off of your internet. But with Piggybox, instead of you making money per gigabyte that you essentially sell, they just give you a flat $10 per month for leaving it on the network. It's still the same risks that you have running the application on your mobile device or your computer. You still don't know what they're doing in the background or what the people who are buying the bandwidth access is doing with it. However, it guarantees you a flat dollar amount every month off of your internet connection. They're limited to basically one per household. You can get more, but they will charge you for them. They want only one per residential internet connection, just like running the application. So let's dig in and see what we got here. Comes in just this padded envelope. Right here is the Piggybox. You can see it fits within the palm of a hand. It's very small. It has just a USB port and an Ethernet port, and then it has the on-the-go port on the back, and then it's got basically a micro SD card slot on here. I'm assuming that is in case they have to update the software, or if your internal storage dies, you can replace it and reflash it or something. So that's all the little device is. They want it connected to your Ethernet, so they also send you network cable, a power brick, which is using the old micro SD connection. Not sure why anybody still uses that unless there's a small minor price difference in the hardware, but they seem to keep doing it, and that's all that's in the package. To set up your Piggybox, all you got to do is plug it into your network connection on your router and power it on. So let's see what we got. All right, so I have chosen to run it off of my router that I have on top of this shelf up here. I've got power already ran up to it. I've already got a router up here as well. So now connect my Ethernet connection. Then I will power the micro SD power brick there. You can see networking lights come on and off as it's trying to communicate. And it should be ready to go. It should be that simple. I have it currently going off of a visible connection that is tethered to a cell phone that's also powering that laptop that I have up there. So let me make this screen a little smaller if I can get the corners of this. There we go. Then that's what I'm currently testing as speeds. And I am logged in to one of my accounts here. And it does not show up, so let me pause and get All right, well, it didn't show up actually in the website, but I did go ahead and get an email that told me that the Piggybox was detected and was earning. So I will keep an eye on that and see how it goes, and then hopefully report back to you as soon as I get any kind of other confirmation as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to drop them off in the comment section down below. I'd be happy to answer any of the questions that you have. If you want to know how to get one, I'll have some information down in the video description so that you can order your own Piggybox. And if you have any troubles with it, let us all know so that maybe we can learn from you as well. So, email confirming. Says, good job. We see that your Piggybox is connected and active. So what do you need to do now? Absolutely nothing. Take a walk, enjoy a cup of coffee, and take a nap. The Piggybox works on its own and will pay you every month. If you are curious, you can access your account by logging into your dashboard using the email address. Thank you for being a Piggybox community, the Piggybox team. Now, like I said, I didn't see it automatically show up, so it may have a little delay. I will add that at the end of this video as soon as I do have the additional information, confirmation on it, and then I'll try to have some screenshot in it too. So let's take a look. All right, so I finally got the information on my Piggybox showing up on my dashboard. I just had to refresh for whatever reason; it just wasn't showing. So here we have the node number and all that. I can rename that and then monitor it a little better, but since it's under the Piggybox, it does not show up under the Earn app dashboard, even though it shows your lifetime earnings the same between the two accounts. Not sure why they keep it separate when they could put it together, but it is what it is. So it's only going to show the Piggybox devices on the piggybox.net dashboard. Your Earn app devices are going to show up under the Earn app dashboard, but your lifetime earnings and your current balance is going to show the same between the two. So the two accounts are linked, but they don't fully jive together. So maybe they'll fix that in the future. Maybe they'll take some suggestions on that. But that's all it is. It does show up here, and so far it's 3 minutes and 20 seconds worth of usage time at $10 per month. So hopefully it works out for me. But again, got any questions, feel free to ask them. I'd be more than happy to have a chit chat with you. If you like the video, like it, subscribe, share, and hit that ring bell to get the notifications of new content. So that's all I got for now. Until next time, have a good one.